Hey guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. As summer is here and Ramzan's coming, everybody's making the same old stuff over and over again. So I figured, why do the things that everybody else is doing? Why not show you guys a different way of eating, a different way of things that you can cook for your family and your friends, for iftar, for dinner parties, that nobody else is making. Today we're gonna do a blackened salmon pita wrap. It's a simple and an awesome recipe. I just created it and I figured I should share it with my YouTube Basant family. So here we go guys, let's get started. I'm gonna go over the ingredients really quick. We have plain Greek yogurt, pita bread, tomatoes, onions, melted butter, and we have this gorgeous 3-pound Atlantic salmon fillet that I took the skin off completely, and we're gonna cut it in strips. I'm gonna show you, it's a really cool way to do it. Some parsley, salt, pepper, Cajun seasoning, olive oil, and lemon juice. So this is it guys, all the ingredients are in. Now it's time to make the magic happen and create this recipe, Basant style. So with the salmon, because we are making a pita wrap, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it in strips. So we're gonna use about 4 ounces of salmon. Look how beautiful the fish is. We're gonna use about 4 ounces of salmon, 4 to 6 ounces per sandwich. So this is about right. I'm gonna layer the strips on the pan. Put a little lemon juice. I'm gonna put down a little bit of parsley after the seasoning is done. So what it does is once the fish is baked and the seasoning gets encrusted, parsley becomes a part of it and it looks really hot. As far as seasoning the fish, this is it. Now we're gonna turn the oven on at about 425 and bake it from 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, check it. If you think it's not encrusted enough, bake it for another about 5 minutes. I like my fish well done, so I go for 20 minutes. It's up to you guys, but after 15 minutes, it's fair game. So while the fish is cooking, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start working on our tzatziki sauce, yogurt sauce or cucumber sauce. So we're gonna start with 2 cups of whole milk Greek yogurt. So I'm gonna add diced cucumbers, but I ran them, after I diced them and I seeded them, I ran them through cheesecloth and I drained all the water. So that's what you want, so they're nice and dry so they don't make your sauce watery. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon white vinegar and 2 teaspoons extra virgin olive oil. No, my 2 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon black pepper and 2 tablespoons dried dill. And now you just mix it all in. Wow, that's tzatziki sauce. Wow, perfect. And just fold it out. The tzatziki sauce, the yogurt sauce is ready. It looks gorgeous and it tastes delicious. But the most important step in making this is you make sure you seed the cucumbers, you run them through a grater, and then you run them through a cheesecloth so you can get rid of all the moisture, and then you add them into your yogurt. So it comes out with this thick consistency that is $1,000,000. Now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and we're gonna get the fish out and make our sandwich, Basant style. So I'm gonna heat my pita bread up really quick on the flat pan. It's a very important step guys, because you have to heat up the pita bread so it's nice and soft. When you make the sandwich, it folds and it doesn't fall apart. Guys, salmon is ready and it looks beautiful and it smells amazing. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna start building the sandwich. It's not a new recipe as per se, is putting 2 recipes together and making a new sandwich, which is my favorite thing to do. And I'm gonna show you its application today in this video. So let's get it started. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with the pita bread. Lay it down. We're gonna do tzatziki sauce. So this is gonna be the base You get the spiciness from the blackened seasoning, and you bite into it, you get the creaminess and cool cucumbers. It levels it out. I like to use mixed green salad for instead of just using plain lettuce because it gives us this gorgeous color. So I'm gonna put down the salmon, 4 ounce per sandwich because I like a lot of meat in my sandwich. So we're gonna do the same here. See how beautifully the fish is cooked? Now you can handle it. It's all about letting it rest. Gonna put down some tomatoes. Onions. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it up, and look at that. This is Basant style. So this is it, guys. Sandwich is complete. It looks beautiful. I mean, look at that. I'm totally in love with this. When I open my restaurant, this is definitely going on the menu. Look at the fish. It's done gorgeously. The salad inside, yogurt sauce, pita bread, and my mouth is watering. Guys, the recipe is complete. Now it's time for my favorite part. We're gonna start plating, obviously, Basant style. So this is it, guys. The recipe is complete. My blackened salmon pita wraps look gorgeous. It was a simple and an awesome recipe to put together. This summer, people are gonna make things that they've always been making. And I don't wanna follow the trend. I like to create our own trend. And this is the kind of food we're gonna be creating, the recipes that I'm gonna put out for you guys that are very easy to procure and to put together. So I hope you guys like this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll get you guys next time, Basant style. Okay, I'm gonna take it for a spin. A little hot sauce. Wow, it is so good. Go back in.